How to turn on or turn off auto update system on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on developer option. Now here, scroll down and click on, you will see auto update system is here. So if you want to turn off auto update system, so turn off this button, you will see auto update system is turn off. So if you want to turn on auto update system, so turn on this button, you will see auto update system is turn on. So you will turn on or turn off auto update system from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off auto update system on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.